Hey everyone, we all know how much our country as well as the entire global countries is suffering because of this pandemic disease of COVID-19. Thousands of deaths, lakhs of people have been infected and several millions are being unemployed and uncountable in number are dying out of hunger every day. So this being on one side, the economy of the entire world has been drastically been broken down, especially for the country of India where the economy was already in a pathetic condition. So, restarting and reboosting the economy is definitely going to be a challenging task for the entire world. So, this being on one side, few days back, a US based lawyer named Larry Klayman and also his group of team named Freedom Watch and also a multinational company in the city of Texas have jointly filed a lawsuit against the Chinese government and the Chinese authorities who were the reason and related to the outbreak of this pandemic virus. So, why has US taken its first priority to file this lawsuit? Why not the member countries? In my opinion, firstly, US is a superpower country at primacy. Secondly, highest number of cases have been reported in USA compared to all the member countries and also compared especially to China. So this being on one part, the claim amount which has been sought in this lawsuit is nearly $20 trillion. Yes friends, it is not 20 million, it is $20 trillion. This is something very huge than the whole of China's GDP. 20 trillion, when it is being converted into Indian rupees, it comes around 20 lakh crores. We all know this is a very huge amount. But apart from this, there are also certain allegations which has been raised in this lawsuit and also which creates a bona fide suspicion on the Chinese government. Firstly, they have acclaimed that the coronavirus, being a deadly virus, is also a biological weapon which has been designed and prepared by the Chinese government to kill mass destructions. And it is also acclaimed that this is to show the terrorist group how this virus can cause mass destructions and also can kill the entire world. Way back in 1925, in the Geneva Convention, all the member countries stood together and passed a resolution that biological weapons are prohibited and no country should prepare or design it. To all my friends who are not aware of this Geneva Convention, this is an international body where all the member countries join together and pass a resolution for the betterment of all the countries. So under that, in 1925, a resolution was passed under which biological weapons are prohibited. The USA team has acclaimed that under the norms of the Geneva Convention, Chinese has violated it and has prepared this biological weapon. The second allegation is that the US team has acclaimed that this virus was not transmitted from any local markets in Wuhan, but it was intentionally and voluntarily being released from the Wuhan Virological Institute by the Chinese government. And the third main allegation is that the first case was reported way back in November 2019. And nearly after 2 months, that is in January 23rd, 2020, the Chinese government started to quarantine the whole of Wuhan. But it is being said that within these 2 months, no screening was done and no protective measures were being taken by the Chinese government. So what happened is that several lakhs of people were being transported from Wuhan to other parts of China and to all the other parts of the world. This is the main reason which has resulted to mass destruction of people. And it is also a negligence on the part of the Chinese government to protect and prevent the virus from spreading. A basic and common allegation which has been raised by the US team and also by all the member countries is that the Chinese government are not being open to tell all the details and preventive measures which they have taken related to this COVID-19 disease, and whenever they are being asked, they stood muted, telling it to be as a national security protocol and thus not declaring anything. Subsequently, after this lawsuit has been filed by the US, the International Council of Jurists along with the All India Bar Association have jointly filed a complaint at United Nations Human Rights Council or UNHRC against the Chinese government, and they have sought unspecified amounts of compensation as a reparation cost. The main allegation which was put forth in this complaint is that the Chinese government is legally liable for committing grave offense against the humanity, and they have also cited an act which was signed in way back in 2001, which is called as Responsibility of State for Committing Wrongful Act. And they have also said that under this act, China is legally liable for the reparation costs and for the compensation. Secondly, they have said that the coronavirus is a conspiracy of Chinese government and the China has voluntarily released it in order to create a biowar and to top in the list and to become a superpower country, thus dominating all the other member countries. One of the main and crucial allegations which has been raised in the complaint is that Wuhan is a place in the country of China and the virus has taken its origin in the place of Wuhan and several lakhs of people have been transported to China and to all the other countries. But China has reported very less number of cases when compared to USA and Italy. So this has raised a bona fide suspicion on all the member countries. China, being the hub for this virus, has reported very less number of cases, and so all the member countries have acclaimed that there is something fault and the Chinese government is hiding something very important to the world. So these are the major allegations which was taken by the US team and also by the All India Bar Association and the International Council of Jurists against the Chinese government. So that's it in this video. If you have any suggestions or opinions, please drop your comments in the comment box. Until then, stay home and stay safe.